Hello, you can see there's a signal, no signal in here, which means the machine is calling now. Okay, and if you want to change the temperature, we need to press. You can see that there's a cold and a hot and up and down. You can see that, and we in cooling mode, we need to press the cold and up and down, cold and down, cold and down. When we need to press this button, you can see that. You press these buttons, these two buttons. Yeah, we know CO1, which means we can set in the temperature, and we press the cold. You can see that this the temperature 5 degrees. Okay, this is CO1, and we want to save the setting. We long press the cold. Yeah, it will save. And if you want to change the heating temperature, first of all, we need to get into the heating mode. You can see the hot in here, hot. We long press hot. About 3 seconds. Okay, you can see there's an HE. You can see now there's no signal is disappear, and which means this temperature is going to the heating mode. Now we need to press if we want to change the heating temperature, we need to press the hot and down. Hot and down. Yeah, press these two buttons. I will show you. Press these two buttons.
不行啊，完了，他妈那个还点像我那么近视的看得到了，傻吗？
你在这里看能看到？
看得到啊！
你来这里看，你来这里看，
看得到啊！
我把机器调个位置，你就看得到了。
You can see HO1, and we press hot. Press hot. Yeah, that's the temperature we set. 12. Yeah, you can change that. Okay. And we press hot. We'll save 12 and press hot. We save the temperature, and we press the hot. About 3 seconds. It will save the setting. Okay, now it is save the setting now. That's all.